Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we are making a tasty, a tantalizing, a tasteable
Pasta salad?
tortellini salad.
Why do I always say pasta?
Because it is a pasta.
Oh, okay.
So
Just making sure I was somewhere.
tortellini salad. And making its appearance with this beautiful rainbow tortellini salad.
Yes.
Because we call this rainbow tortellini salad. We have chicken on deck. We have feta cheese. We have arugula. You know, because we always got to get some sort of greenery in our salad, even if we use parsley.
Yes.
We have some apricot. We have some red peppers. And we have some pistachios.
Yes.
And we're going to use a Vidalia vinaigrette. Unfortunately, it's not homemade, but it sure tastes good as our dressing. And of course, we always have our baby stars who are always looking to push through, call our Himalayan salt and black pepper on deck.
Yes, we do.
So these are our star players ready to bat today. So we're going to get into our vitamin content.
Let's get to it.
I do want to tell you this really quick, guys. Ian did a phenomenal job cooking this pasta, and me as the chef, I forgot to tell him because he's still learning, but he did a great job. It's cooked perfectly al dente. However, as you notice, it doesn't have like any olive oil or any butter on it because I forgot to tell him to put that on it. So it looks a little dry now, but guess what? We're going to fix that, honey.
Dance it up.
We'll be back. Our tricolor tortellini, which I'm calling rainbow because of the tomato, orange, the regular flavor, whatever that's called, and the green spinach. So it's rainbow, has vitamins A, D, calcium, and potassium. It was also cooked in our favorite thing, chicken broth, which has vitamins A, B12, C, D, E, K, and magnesium. Our feta cheese, which has wonderful, again, because this show we love colors because it represents nutrition. And so even that feta cheese has speckles of little parsley and a little tomatoes in it that's been refined in it. And feta has B6, B12, calcium, riboflavin, selenium, phosphorus, and zinc. Our arugula has vitamins C, K, folate, and magnesium. Our chicken strips has vitamins B6, B12, and niacin. And our apricots has vitamins A, C, E, potassium, and beta carotene. And our red bell peppers has vitamins A, C, B2, B6, folate, potassium, and niacin. And our pistachio has vitamins B6. Oh, and our Himalayan salt, can't ever forget about Himalayan salt. It has potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium, and our black pepper has vitamins A, C, B1, B5, B6, and E and K. Real fact, women carry a lot of responsibility that puts their food insecurity at risk. They often take on the caregiver role that has led to women skipping meals for their kids. So the great thing about the salad is that Ian is just going to, since our pasta's already al dente cooked, everything else, our chicken's already grilled, hey, this is just kind of pour it in.
Wow, yeah, but
You gotta be gentle with the food.
that's right, because I'm going to damage them. This goes off to the side no longer.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right, that's cool.
So that's why it's important to make sure you have like a little olive oil or some butter or something in your pasta so it doesn't stick together.
I just want to relax it for a second, Mama. Nice and easy.
Not a problem.
Okay, now. You okay?
Okay, you get feta. Your fed.
Mm-hmm.
And feta cheese, it's actually, it's based from, it's a Mediterranean cheese, based out of Greece. And the thing with feta is that it's actually made from sheep's milk.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Thanks.
Yes.
See, I learned something too every time.
And so it has a tangy. It's very soft in texture.
Okay.
And it has a tangy twang in it.
Twang.
Yes.
And now
Here
it's
you go, Ian. So Ian has his gloves because he's dealing with the article. I'm just passing things along right now. So he's the one that's actually dealing with. Oh wow. He's the one that's dealing with mixing the food, and he's going to use the best tools in the house, which I always say are your hands, because you can control everything better. Okay, Ian.
Oof, getting up top.
You gonna manage that, baby?
Yeah, I should be able to.
Yeah. You're a world-class champion mixer by now, right?
I'm learning from the best. I keep telling you that. Wow. Okay.
Hey, look at the beautiful colors there. Do you see that? You see that green? You know, you see now the orange, and you can see through the bowl some of the red. Well, the red, sorry, which is about to be right here. Just a beautiful array of colors. Green, orange, you know, the beige from the chicken, the red. Okay. Last but not least,
Pistachios.
we have our pistachios. All right. We're gonna put a little bit of I would say you want to give it 1.5 loves.
1.5 love.
Did you put any loves in the broth when you were making it?
Yes, yes I did. That's one. It's one.
Okay, there you go. Maybe just 1 love.
1 love.
One love.
Yeah.
It's all about this channel. We're about that 1 love.
There you go.
1 love of food.
Look how pretty that is.
That is gorgeous.
Before I start going at it.
That is gorgeous. So now, Ian, since I over poured, I'm going to gently pass you. You gonna make me do it, right?
I got it.
Okay. Ooh, Ian. Something tells me you might
Need some minutes.
You might need a little bit more.
What, this? Nah, there's plenty.
You don't think so, Ian?
No, there's plenty.
Where's our little spatula? Because you need to get all that out. Well, since Big Baby got afraid to mix this up, I had to jump in the game and put the gloves on.
Thank you, Mom.
And kind of get in here and get in from the bottom to try to mix up our salad, our big salad, because Big Baby is a big baby.
Yes, I am.
And that's why he's earned that name, Big Baby.
I see the way you. I like the way.
Tell Big Baby that you want him to mix next time. You challenge him. Put that in the comments, guys.
There you go.
That you challenge him. That he can do it. That you believe in him.
I'd like to see.
If he doesn't believe in himself, you believe in him.
Yes, I'd like to see that in the comments. I really would. I really would.
So we're gently mixing them because we don't want to crush our tortellini, you know, any of our food. We want to make sure that all the loving from the bottom comes up. And we're doing that right here. Boy, this is really a delicious salad, let me tell you. Full of nutrients. You got your chicken. You almost have your full my plate here, if I do say so myself.
Yeah.
You have your protein. You have your cheese, your dairy. You have well, we don't have our oil. Okay, so we don't have that. But we have our fruit. We have triple protein, because you have protein from the cheese, you have protein from the nut and from the chicken. We have our meat, which is our chicken. I'm telling you, you have practically the My Plate. I think the only thing we're missing from the My Plate was the fact that we didn't put any oil or butter. Okay. So we have the USDA My Plate diet right up in here.
Wow.
So you have a full meal. So this is not just a lunch meal. This is great for a woman's luncheon, by the way. If you're a churchgoer and you have a woman's luncheon, this is absolutely great for dinner.
Really nice.
For just lunch, families get-togethers, reunions, barbecues. Hey,
yeah.
you could come with the gourmet
Okay,
with the
yes.
barbecue.
That is perfect for barbecue. Looks.
And listen, if you can't find the tortellini that has the color, the rainbow color here, you could just do the spinach and the regular. That's fine too, you know. Or you could just do just the spinach one, or just do the regular and let the colors all pop out as well.
Mm-hmm.
So this has been mixed for you guys. We're gonna plate this up and come back and eat with you. Well, here is the rainbow tortellini salad that I mixed,
Yes, you did.
that you assembled and I mixed.
Yes.
Because next time you're gonna have the strength of Batman.
Yes, I will.
But
Right
today
in the
I was Wonder Woman.
Yes, Wonder Woman.
So we are going to taste our wonderful rainbow. I want to make sure you get like all the colors up in here.
Yes, please.
Oh yes. Look at that. Look at
There
that.
we
You
go.
got everything
Yeah.
here. I want to make
Perfect.
sure you got everything.
Thank you.
Your apricot. Where's your little, let me get you a little nut in case. Because Ian, sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. Here you go.
Thank you. Wow.
Let me go. Let me
Yes.
dig in here for
Yeah,
me.
Dig in for you, Mama.
I want to make sure I got every color too. Did you get your greenery? Yeah.
Yeah, I got green. I got everything in there.
Okay. Make sure I got.
I got
I am so excited to try.
bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Mm.
Here we go.
Yes, it is. Let's see. I got a little of that, a little of this, a little greenery, a little red.
Mmm. 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 Tasty, tasty. Mmm. Mmm.
Yeah.
Come on, Ian. Tasty, tasty.
Very tasty.
This is really good.
It's got so many different flavors. It's bursting in the mouth every time.
Get some of that feta in here.
Yeah.
Get a little twang.
Wow. I'm gonna talk.
Mouth is so full.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Wow.
Give this a try. Make this for your family. Family outing, church luncheons. They will love you.
It's a must.
It is a must.
It's a must. This is delicious.
If you don't want to put chicken, you don't have to. But I like the extra protein because it really gives me a full meal. Don't forget to hit the like button. When you do that, you give us a virtual hug, and we love hugs. And subscribe. What are you waiting for? When you subscribe and you hit that bell notification, you get to see all these creative videos that we do for you with full of nutrition, nutrient-dense food, which is so important to your body. Your body needs good calories. And share. Sharing is absolutely caring. And your friends and family are going to be mad when they find out about this channel and you're about you to share with them. Don't do that to them. Don't deprive them. Share the channel.
Share with us.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We really, really enjoy you hanging out with us. And I'm going to tell you this right now. While I put this piece in my mouth, I am loving every bite of this.
Yes, it is. Be part of the family.
Be part of the family, like Ian said.
Mama Chef family. This is delicious.
Thank you for hanging out with us. If you enjoy it, come back and hang out with us again. We love you. Bye.
Bye-bye.